right, let us talk about lists in HTML. So we have our text here, we have our heading, and then a group of programming languages separated by comma. What if I wanted to present these languages as a list and not just, items separated by comma? There is a tag in HTML to help us with that. We have the unordered list. So unordered list means the order of the list doesn't matter and the items are not going to be given a number. So let me describe what I'm talking about. So the tag is UL, opening and closing, and we put our items inside. But why is it that nothing has happened? The first stage is to put these items within the tag, but the second thing is to tell HTML that these items are actually separate items and not just one text. So each item needs to be enclosed within the LI tag. The LI tag stands for list item. So it's an item of the list. And then this is enclosed within the outer unordered list tag. So let's see how this looks. Voila. So you can see now this appears like a list. We have our heading and then our list. The reason this is called unordered list is that this way of arranging items does not have any preference for order. There isn't any numbering. However, if you wish to have an order of your list, there is an option called ordered list.